So earlier we have seen what is Sanskritization. What is it? Lower group imitating the socio-cultural practices of a higher group in the caste hierarchy. And this was a concept which was given by Srinivas after studying Coors of Karnataka. Initially he proposed this term Brahmanization, which later he replaced it with Sanskritization, and he has given 4 models: Brahmin model, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra models, isn't it? See, according to Srinivas, this process of Sanskritization started only after the advent of British rule, and that it is a unidirectional movement which is from lower caste adopting the practices of a higher caste. So, according to him, this is unidirectional, and it started only after the advent of a British rule, according to Srinivas. But anyway, Ganesh Chaturthi, it depends on the time frame in which we are speaking. I think you know Bal Gangadhar Tilak, no? Bal Gangadhar Tilak popularized this Ganesh Chaturthi Raksha Bandhan to unite the masses, and it was definitely a great success. And as I said, when he popularized this one, so before this, I think definitely Ganesh Chaturthi is restricted to only to some places, even though it is a festival which is having literary evidence and other things. So now, okay, again, if Ganesh Chaturthi is mostly or widely practiced in Maharashtra and Andhra and Telangana. So this festival is very popular in these places. But nowadays, in recent times, you can see this festival gained even more popularity in other places also, where you can, even in Delhi also, you can find Ganesh Nimajanam and other things. So in modern days, the situation is quite different. Many of the festivals, or maybe any socio-cultural practices which are inclusive in nature, they are gaining popularity. Even there are many other festivals which are otherwise present in a local area are gaining popularity. Why they are gaining popularity? Because even the local people are allowing others to participate. This is change in the mindset of the people. And as a result, what is happening? Some small festivals are also gaining lot of popularity. Maybe you can see a festival, Sammaka Saraka in Telangana. This has gained lot of popularity, even though it was practiced in only few places in Telangana. Now it is widely practiced all over Telangana. You get my point? So what I mean to say is, like, definitely those of them which are a part of the larger organized religion will definitely become popular. Not only of that of Hinduism, but also with respect to other religions also. You get my point? You can see in other religions also festivals are gaining popularity. Why a festival or something gains popularity is only because when the local people or when the practitioners of that particular culture opens it to others, isn't it? That is why people are in present the trend, people love to participate in other festivals. Like, say for example, you take Ramzan, everyone is participating. You take Christmas, everyone is participating. Or you take maybe any Sikh festival, people are participating. Gurudwara, you can find people from all religions, isn't it? Because they opened it to. You get my point? When they open, definitely yes, participation will be more. And that is why in modern context, what is localized and what is universalized is very difficult to say, because of gaining popularity. Even tribal festivals are gaining popularity, isn't it? Tribal clothes are gaining popularity. Tribal artifacts are gaining popularity, isn't it? Different, even food habits or many other things are gaining popularity. All these, I think, because if you see in a larger context, like in globalization era, and with the advent of social media, you can see there is a continuous exchange of ideas and concepts and each other's socio-cultural practices also. And as a result, what is happening? Sometimes it becomes a fashion, sometimes it becomes multicultural. So as a result, what we can see, there is a shift from heterogeneousness to homogeneousness. Heterogeneousness means when different cultural groups are retaining their traditional practices and they are restricted to only those cultural groups. But because, as I said, no globalization, heterogeneousness becoming homogeneous. You see migrations only, people from India, from different parts of the world going to one country. So in that you can see there is some kind of same thing happening in India also. We can see people from different parts of the world. As more and more people come, definitely that society will be inclusive to the ideas and concepts and even their other socio-cultural practices. Only then they will be able to invite them and they will be able to assimilate or maybe integrate them in the thing, isn't it? So you can see, no, every country, people from across the world are there. How is this possible? Only because of globalization. So from heterogeneousness we are going to homogeneous. There are many contrasting things actually in the society. On one way I said heterogeneous to homogeneous. Other way you can see that conservatism also is growing. Maybe not allowing others to come. That is why you can see conservative governments, either in UK or maybe in during Trump. You can see conservative even in France. Conservative, that means saying that okay, we will protect and safeguard the economic and other aspects of the local people. And those parties who have actually put forward this view and opinion have come into the power, isn't it? Across that. So on one hand you can see there is a movement from heterogeneous to homogeneousness of cultures. So this can also lead to cultural dilution because they may not be present in their original form. Definitely when these because isn't it, whenever maybe a particular festival or a custom or a tradition practiced by a indigenous group, when it is borrowed by another group, they may not follow it in letter and spirit. They will definitely make make changes to that one according to their convenience, isn't it? So this will definitely lead to some kind of cultural dilution. But again a good thing which is leading to multiculturalism. Maybe this will also trigger this kind of conservative movements in the area where there are a number of people from different cultures. Yes or no? So you can see multiple things operating at the same time. Depending on our convenience, we will use them. So that means we can say that the most of the definitely most of them are towards modernization. You can see like if you closely observe, because my presence on the social media or maybe other forms of digitalized world is very minimal, bare minimal actually. Even if I am able to do it, you will be able to sense it even more better. To the little knowledge that I have with respect to these digital or internet or maybe other social media, you can see, no, a small practice. One small practice is there. If a group thinks that this is unique and no one is practicing, they are immediately shooting it and putting it on the YouTube. Now it gains popularity. Now any part of the world, if they like it, they will do it. You can see, no, maybe one song is there, Kacha Badam. Yes or no? So many people were crazy about it. Isn't it? I still find maybe one uncle, Pappu uncle is there. Pappu, that one person who is like a little bit obese, he keeps dancing to Govinda songs. He became a huge success. I think during lockdown or maybe before that one, he has put some video about that. He was called by a number of for events also. You get him a point. Maybe some kind of fashion or maybe some kind of new cuisine or whatever maybe. You can see village videos, cooking styles. Oh, they are saying, okay, we can cook this in this way. People, crores of people are watching that. Maybe one Tamil channel is there, which Rahul Gandhi also. What is that? Village cooking. In Kerala also one person is there. Is actually he cooks all types of food. He goes to, what is that one? I forgot actually. Now there are like several things actually.
They also came in film also.
Exactly. In Kerala one person is there. In Tamil Nadu that group. You get my point? What I mean to say? So that is it. So in modern era, everything is going for on a universal scale only. It depends on how inclusive or if person beats this shy factor, or maybe if a person has some kind of introvert and they slightly convert from introvert to extrovert, or they change their mentally held ideas and concepts of the surrounding or neighborhood, they can go for it. And only those people, what are TikTok videos? Or maybe what are YouTube videos, isn't it? They wanted to show, okay, this is the thing. And through that one, they get recognition. They are also able to earn money, isn't it? Many of them have become very great influencers, or maybe celebrities also. Yes or no? Only those people are again called for Big Boss or any show in different things. Yes or no? So yes, definitely I would say all these are leading to, who knows different tribes. Even now people are looking about so many tribes. Even maybe in this last 4 or 5 years, maybe because of using that smartphone or something, I also able to get to know, which otherwise we would have only got to know after reading books. So many tribes, so many so many things we are seeing. Lots of information is there. So yes, definitely moving towards universalization, there is no doubt about it. Yes, so next one.
Selecting the right optional subject for the UPSC exam can be a daunting task, especially if you're aiming to succeed on your first attempt. But what if there's a crucial element that could make all the difference? That element is continuous answer writing practice. At Vijetha IAS Academy, our Anthropology Optional Foundation program offers a comprehensive approach. Not only will you delve deeply into the subject matter, but you will also engage in daily and weekly answer writing exercises. Each of your answers will be meticulously reviewed and critiqued by P Kishore Sir, ensuring you receive personalized feedback to enhance your skills. This approach has already helped many students achieve impressive marks and ranks, such as Akanksha Singh, 311 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Chaudhary Shipra Vijay Kumar, 307 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Ajin Kumar, who cracked UPSC in his first attempt, and many more. With daily feedback and structured practice, you will be well prepared to succeed in the UPSC examination. With our focused feedback and structured practice, you'll be well equipped to improve your performance and boost your chances of securing a top rank in the CSE. Don't wait any longer. Enroll in Vijetha IAS Academy today and unlock the proven success formula for conquering the UPSC exam.